everybody! I'm so glad you made it to the Google form. This is how we're going to do math for the next 2 weeks. It's going to be awesome. Don't worry. Let's get started right away. Let's talk about our target. Our target today says I can estimate sums by rounding and use my estimates to solve measurement word problems. There are 3 questions below this video that are going to ask you about some of our key words in this target. What does rounding mean? Do you remember? What does estimate mean? And can you give me an example of measurement? Now, the last word we're going to talk about right here, this word, sums. Sums. If you don't remember, a sum is the answer to an addition problem. So if I were going to say this target in simpler words, I would say I am going to estimate answers by rounding. I'm going to use those estimates to solve measurement addition word problems. Easy peasy. Answer those questions and watch the next video.